Saturday, November 16th, 2024. Another day of classic cars. Here you go. Check out your classic cars, man. There's your Plymouth. Right. There's your Duster. Plymouth Duster. Duster. Right on. Mustang in the back. Check out the Ford. Nice freaking Ford. Nice Ford. That's a Ranchero. Ford Ranchero, dude. Yeah, right on, dude. Boom. Righteous. Classic cars for the day. Classic cars. There you go right there. Some more classic one. Nice Mercedes. Nice freaking Corvette, dude. Corvette. Mercedes Corvette. Convertible. Ooh, yeah. Classic cars. What do you know?